bent out my spinnerbait. It's a good way to start a practice day. It's probably 15 inches. Well, everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are out pre-fishing for the next tournament. We are up in Georgian Bay, the Port Severn area, and we're out here pre-fishing for the next OKBT event number 4. The event is on Saturday. Today is Thursday, so we're doing our usual pre-fish. So we've got a couple days to try and figure these fish out. We've probably only been fishing for about 20 minutes. Started the day off pretty good there with a nice, probably 15-inch largemouth or so. So that's always a welcome sign. So stay tuned and hopefully we can get into some fish today, tomorrow, and Saturday. Oh, it's not even that big. Just a little guy. Another fish. Another largemouth. Feels okay. That's a decent one. Oh, another nice largemouth. Another decent largemouth. Another 15-incher. Not bad. I've been off rocky islands with vegetation next to deep water. So, not surprising that that's where they are, but something I can work with. Small. Oh, that's a largemouth. Not a big one. He'd probably be like 11, maybe 12. Good sign though. Is he still on there? Took me down the weeds. Good one. It's a large heat. Oh, big smallmouth. Very big smallmouth. Yes. That's a good one. I may have a giant on. Oh, yep, I do. I think it's a large. They just didn't want the jig. They want a drop shot. I don't know what it is. It's a fish. It's a largemouth. Oh. That's good. Not a giant. That's probably 16, 17. Thanks, bud. So right there is a good reason to switch up your baits. Because I've been throwing the jig here and there throughout the day. Really wanting to get on a jig bite. Trying to force the jig bite. Threw the jig all up on that, not a lick. Drop shot. Good largemouth. So that just goes to show that they want what they want. So it'd be nice if they're eating something other than the drop shot, but that's 2 good fish out of this area, so I don't think I'm gonna fish here anymore. We're gonna go battle the wind for a bit and see what we can come up with. Trying to get in the It's a good size fish right there. That's why we battle crazy winds right there. That's just about gonna do it for today. I'm sure you can see the wind is pretty crazy right now. At least it's gonna be going with me back to the ramp. So we're gonna make our way back that way. Pretty good day. If it was a tournament day, we wouldn't have won. We would have had a decent score. Anyways, let's get going. Shaky head. Shaky head. Finally got one off one of these humps. Couldn't get one on anything. Tied on a shaky head. Didn't take too long there. So far today, we fished a deeper hole and some grass and rocks near that. Didn't get anything. And then we came out here, tried a couple offshore humps, and we caught one smaller smallmouth one, like 13 1/4 I think it was. So not much so far. There is an area with the kind of a concentration of those offshore humps, so I'm gonna go and check those out and see if we can form some sort of a pattern, because so far today it's not great. It's been slow. Definitely slower than yesterday, so I don't know if that's the part of the lake. Like, the weather is very similar to it was yesterday, except it's not as windy. So we're gonna make a move and keep on going. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Of course I hooked it when there's another kayak right over there. At least a chunky one. Not bad. Good one. That was almost cheating. Just happened to have a weightless Senko on. Saw a fish jump, threw over there, and he ate it. Not a giant, but probably 12, 13 inches. At least it's a fish. It's pretty cool though when stuff like that happens. When a fish jumps and you throw to it and you actually catch it. Cool. Little guy, but it's a fish. So I found this lily pad field aren't too many lily pads in the areas I've been in. So I thought I'd tuck in here and take a look, and it's actually relatively deep as well. It's like 3 or 4 feet in here probably. So looked pretty good. Started throwing the frog around, caught that one like you guys saw, and I had 2 fish miss it. So that's a good indication there are fish here and they're willing to eat a frog. So I guess I might as well vacate the area. It's almost 2 o'clock here. It's been a slow day so far. Definitely slower than yesterday. Good morning, everyone. Once again, it is tournament day. This is the OKBT, the Ontario Kayak Bass Trail's 4th event on Georgian Bay. Longest 5 bass for the day, largemouth or smallmouth, and we'll be fishing from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. It's just a few minutes to 6 here. Just sitting on our first spot waiting for first cast. This is an area that I found on the first day of pre-fish on Thursday. Really the only area that we caught a couple decent fish. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna fish it for quite a while. Hopefully they're still here. A pretty good turnout for this tournament. I think it's around 89 anglers for today, so another good turnout. A prediction for today. I haven't really talked to too many people, so I'm not sure what the fishing has been like. It's been mediocre for myself, but I'm gonna say 93 inches today. I think will put you in good position, and big bass is gonna be 20.75 is gonna be the big bass today. So hopefully that's us. We'll get going here in a few minutes, and we'll see what we can do today. All right, 6 o'clock, here we go. Itty bitty. Shoot. First one of the day, 14. Yes. Definitely not 12 inches. Another little guy. This guy might be a challenge to measure. He is feisty. Ooh, he's nice and long. Shoot. 14 and a half. Nice.
Do you by chance have any extra blank identifiers? I flipped my kayak and all mine got wet.
Yeah, I do actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Could I borrow one?
Yeah, come on over. Just gotta remember where I put them.
Dropped my identifier in the water. I went to grab it and my whole kayak flipped. I still had a fish in my hand.
Oh no.
And I kept the fish and I actually got it, so it was shallow water.
Yeah.
Everything fell out, but I got it all. So except for pliers and scissors, which he just delivered.
Were you able to score the fish?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Yeah, I got some in here somewhere.
How are you doing?
I got a couple, like a 14 and a half.
Oh, yeah, I got a 17 and a quarter, that's it.
Oh, nice. It's good fish, so.
Yeah. Good luck.
You too, man. Stay in the boat.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Stay on there, baby. Stay on there. Shoot. Looks good. It's a good one right there. 16 inches. Stay down. It's a giant. It's a giant. Stay down, baby. Oh, it's not a giant. That's a good one. Come on now. Come on, baby. Yes. So we were fiddling with my graph trying to mark that rock pile and he bit. Oh, look at that. The hook came right out. Oh my lord. Shoot. Gotcha. Number 4. 14 3/4. Oh, sugar pops. Big. Seen it. Oh. Oh, no, no, no. Hello. No, thank you. This is tricky. Shoot. There we go. Number 5. So to give you guys a little insight on what happened there, like I said, caught my 5th keeper, 15.75, so a decent enough fish. I got our 5 fish limit now, sitting with 75 inches, so not huge, but respectable. The leader ran away with it, so be tough catching him. But anyways, I was fishing. I'm kind of on a rocky point here, and I was fishing on that side, just throwing a drop shot and slow fishing. And then I noticed on the other side of the point there was a lot of birds, and they were actually diving on bait. So I decided I was going to switch it up, tied on a swim bait, went over there. Within like a minute or two, caught that 5th keeper. So it's always good to be aware of your surroundings. So what I assume was happening, all those birds were feeding on bait, which usually bring the bass in. So anyways, feels real nice to have my 5th keeper. And like, I know there's a lot of fish in the air. It seems like the birds have kind of dissipated, so the feeding frenzy might be over, but there'll still be fish in the area. So I'm probably gonna stick it out here for quite some time, because I've caught actually my 5th keeper, and I lost one okay one. So there's definitely fish in the area, so we're gonna keep going with it. Stay down, big fella. It's a good largemouth. Get out of those weeds. No. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Oh, it's a small. Wait, is it? What is it? Oh, that's a good largemouth. That's a good one. Oh, yes. That's gonna call me a few inches for sure. Shoot. 17 1/4, that's a good call. Yeah. Got me one. Wait, do I have a real big one? Or is he just in the weeds? He's in the weeds. Come on. Did I lose him? No, he's still on there. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, it's not very big. .5 is what I have to call. I don't think that's 14.5. He's probably like, oh, he's kind of long. $13 1/4. Still, another fish. That one felt huge, but I think just because he was all up in the weeds. He was all up in those weeds. Woo! That guy's burning rubber. Woo! Look at him go. 14.5 he needs to be, and he is 14.25. No call. Another nice fish though. Pretty tiny. Small one. Me off right at the leader connection. Sucks. Oh, that's a lot larger. That is quite large. Oh, come here, baby. Come here, baby. Trying to get down in the weeds. Come on, baby. He does have me down in the weeds. Not as big as I thought, as usual, but dang. Shoot. Calls about an inch. Chunker. I think it's a callfish. I don't think. Let's get close. 15 and a half. I don't think that's 15 and a half. Man, flurry at the end here. Hey. He is 15 and a half. 14 3/4. Still fish under there. I got 5 minutes. I'm going down to the buzzer on this one, guys. 4 minutes. I don't even know if I could get a picture in time. Whoop. Oh man, this is wild. Should have came here earlier, geez. Oh, I had a fish on there. Oh my god. This is a mess. Oh man. Well, that's 3 o'clock. It got a little exciting there at the end. I guess we better get going. Well, it turned out to be a pretty good day. Didn't win it, didn't catch any giants, but I think our score was just under 80 inches, I think. Yeah, we caught a lot of fish. Caught a lot there at the end. Too bad we didn't find those fish earlier, but it's an exciting way to end it. So I'm gonna head back to launch and head to the award ceremony. And as always, thank you guys for watching.